Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you show mobile screen on PC laptop. At first, all you need to do is in your PC, just go to your optional features option, and in there just install the wireless display option. And after turning that option on in your phone, just go to settings and click on search settings. Now here just search cast CAST. You can just search for cast or you can just search for screen mirror. Now just click on cast and turn on this option. Click on turn on. Your mobile and your PC need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. And after that, here you can see searching for devices nearby. After the searching, just click on your PC, and after clicking the PC, it will be connected to it. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.